Somebody mention birds? Thaibirdspot. With over 35 different species, bulbuls must be the most prevalent bird in Thailand. And in fact, there's over 150 different species across the world. This one, the Stripe-throated Bulbul, is a common resident here. The Stripe-throated Bulbul is mainly a woodland bird found in secondary forests, thickets, scrublands, clearings or gardens, at altitudes up to about 1,300 metres. As with other bulbuls, the stripe-throated is omnivorous, and its diet mainly consists of berries, fruits, but also small insects and worms. Here we see another species of bulbul, this one being the streak-eared bulbul. As always, the laughing thrushes turn up and photobomb the set. If you'd like to see my little video on the greater necklace laughing thrush, click on the pop-up banner above or see the description below. Then suddenly all went quiet and all the birds flew away. And then out of the forest appeared what I think is an Asian golden jackal, but I'm not too sure about that, so if you do know, please leave me a comment below. Anyway, the videography for this canine is certainly not very good. I had all the settings wrong, and it caught me a little by surprise. A nice quote that I read on eBird describes this bulbul as a yellowish brown bulbul that looks as if a chrysanthemum has exploded and plastered itself onto its face. Now there's a good description. Well, yet again, that's it for another little video. As always, I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. That's all for now. See you on the next one. Bye for now.